Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can earn more Blum coins. So here, to earn more in Blum coins, you shall do your daily logins and it shall give you rewards like tickets or extra Blum points and all that. And then once you get all your tickets, you want to play here on this thing, the drop off game thing, where you just click on like this green things. Make sure you don't click on the bombs because that's like minus 100 Blum points. So yeah, just press as much as you can, tap on as much as green things as you can. They will add to your wallet this Blum, and there's a power up here where you can freeze time. So yeah, it's a really cool game, and you can still share and play another one if you have more tickets. And sadly, in recording of this video, the task in Blum is like on maintenance. So yeah, you can do the tasking here, like watch videos or follow their social media and all that, or invite your friends. You'll earn some Blum coins. Yeah, so that's pretty much all of it to earn more Blum coins in Blum. So yeah, thanks for watching.